Hey my beauties, it's your girl Cardi of Style Gel Beauty coming at you with another video. To any new beauties that's new here, stopping by, thank you so much for stopping by, whatever brought you here. And to all returning beauties, thank you so much for your continued support. It means so much to me. To the new beauties, if you would like to, which I would love it if you joined us here at the Beautihood, it's 3 simple steps. Hit the subscribe button, click the bell, hit all so you always know when your girl is posting. Now, to all beauties watching, please watch this video and all my videos in its entirety, and then don't even, if you like what you saw, give your girl a thumbs up, because over here, we don't like to ask for likes, we like to earn them. Now, in those comments, do your best. Love, constructive criticism, suggestions, comments, all that good stuff. Because my beauty, that's where you and I connect on a more one-to-one level. I finally sat down and did this video of how I style my newly, platinum Pixie that I've done myself. So if you want to see what I use, how I do it, all that good stuff, stay tuned. Alright beauty, so this is we're gonna get started. You're gonna need a couple of things I use to do my hair. First, the setting foam, Lotta body, my Eco Style Gel, whichever one. I'm trying this one out for the first time. And then I'm going to use oil. This is for the products. And then for tools, all you're gonna need is, this is a regular comb, and this is actually a twisting comb. A beauty of mine that I saw in here, I mean, she's not a beauty of mine, she's a content creator of mine. Saw here on YouTube, her name is Jimmy Taylor, I think. I'll put her, tag her here on the video. She used this, and I was like, genius. This is a twisting comb. And so let's get started. First thing I want to do is, and I already washed my hair. It's a little bit lighter than it was. I did 3 processes on this. I really want to do another one, but I'm not going to test the water. Oh, and then this oil here is just a concoction that I made. Put some in my hands, not a lot. Just a little bit. To saturate, just to cover. I did the process. I did my processes a week ago, early in the week, and then I did another process last night, and then I did an overnight treatment with conditioner. So now that we have that, we're gonna go Lotta body heavy. Put this everywhere. Just cover your hair. Just really. Work it in here. Okay. I don't like all of this on my hands. Alright, now that we are here, I like to take my comb, just comb, get it all up in there. Okay. Alright. Now we're gonna give the gel. This is what works for me. This is what I do. I like this routine, and so I'm sticking different name. And then you just put that gel everywhere. Because I'm going to do finger waves. This is very messy, so. All right. Okay. then I'm going to take, I like to do a part situation. It's going to be a little difficult, I'm not going to lie, because I went crazy with the phone, but that's okay. Hey my beauties, I'm just going to speed up this part because this part takes a little time, because I did go in a little heavy-handed with the foam, and also too with all the lights it's a little more difficult to differentiate my scalp and all the different hairs, the blonde platinum hairs. So yeah, this is me speeding up to just get my part as crispy as I like it. Now that we have that, the part is to my liking. Yeah, eat it up. Okay. Scoop up some gel. Oh yeah, I see why she definitely, you know what I mean? I think that's how you say your name. Girl? Alright. Always start with the side. And then we just start to just... Ooh, this is my first time using this for my finger. Yeah, she ate this up. I don't know where she got this idea from. Oh, that is eating. And you just do your little swirls. That's what I do, literally. And if it's a part that's like not, that's sticking up, add some more product. Get your swirl on. I've done this so many times. Honestly speaking, I can just feel when it looks right. Or feel it. And before I get to the rest of the back, I'm gonna use this to kind of like, okay. I like to stop because I like them to kind of blend and look even. Alright, I'm gonna stop there and then we're gonna start here. What's happening right there? Alright, that's not gelled enough. You can feel it. It's hard to explain, but the hair also. And just do your swirls. Get it. And then when I come here, I like to make them a little bigger on the sides. up front because I want to keep my part looking crisp. I gotta reinforce my part. And these little pieces here. Grabbing gel. I need it to look a little bit better, a little smoother. Cool. Yeah. Oh, I forgot a couple of things. Let me clean this off. Let me go get the other pieces that I need. It's nothing. It's one product and then the equipment that I used to set. I'll be right back. All right, my beauties. So, the last three things we need. Here is laid like I like it. We're gonna lightly spray with to set it in place. Certain spots I go heavy, like my edges. Especially because it's hot. Okay, I said lightly. Spray it. They got to be the good stuff. Okay. Then I'm gonna go in with this. I normally always don't use this, but I've really my edges are wet. So because they are wet, go with this first. Okay. Let's go over here. Just for the back. Okay. Then the key to it all, the Durag. And then I like to put this on because it helps prevent this line. So you put your Durag on. Ooh. All right. And then because I know there's haters out there. That little line is not necessarily dirt, it's just glue. I mean, the Gossipy spray and the oil. I mean, the gel from when I do my hair. Put this on nice and snug, not too tight. And then I like to take the tail and pull it to flatten everything. Really pull it. Okay. Then press it all around because I want it to be nice and flat. My last scarf. This scarf, I always, y'all gonna think I'm crazy, but this is what I do. I take a little bit of oil and then get it all over the scarf. So if it, you know, when it touches my hair, it's giving more moisture. I don't go heavy because I'm still gonna lay on pillows and stuff. But okay, this doesn't have to be too tight. I don't go crazy tight on this one, only because I get migraines. All right, so we're gonna let this cook, marinate, dry, and then come back so you guys can see the finish. My Beauties, here is the finished look. Yeah, I ate that up. It came out cute. My girl, what is her? Yemi Taylor. Girl. Yes. Yes. I think if you got a Pixie, I don't care if it's platinum, if it's black, whatever color, get this. If you are doing finger waves, get this comb. This thing right here. Yeah, you see the material. You see it. Yeah. Finger waves A down. Yeah. So, as always, remember, your beauty is limitless. Stay beautiful and be kind. Until next time. Bye, y'all.
I think we gotta tell the truth. You and me don't need this attitude. I can tell you're ready for love. I don't really know what that means at all.